What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see by the title, you guys see behind me a car that I bought from Copart not too long ago, and I think it has a bad transmission. So this is my 2015 Nissan Sentra. Bought it from Copart with light damage, fender, door, mirror, side mirror that's broke. Got it from insurance company. Only 115,000 miles, not too bad for 2015. The battery is currently dead on it. I'll have to jump it with my other project car that I got from Copart, but this is a whole nother video. It's damn near complete, pretty much. I test drove this one time and I think it has a bad transmission. It's a gamble with these cars from Copart. I bought both these cars sight unseen. Took a gamble on both. This car being an insurance car and light damage like this, I thought it was going to be a quick flip, but apparently not. This one was the same insurance company. So yeah, the battery is dead. I'm gonna have to do some janky stuff. So there's no other way for me to open this car. The key don't work. The car's completely dead. What I did was I pretty much I actually found this on YouTube. I popped this grill open. It's not broken, by the way. And I fished for the hood line. And I pushed that down and it's open like that. Not sure why it opened for me that easy. I know the first time I tried it, it was a nightmare. I was down here for like at least 30 minutes to an hour to get this thing open. But yeah, so this is the car. Let me turn this car around so we can jump start it. So we are in the Sentra now, and whenever I put the car in reverse, the car like shakes a little bit, but when you go into neutral and drive, it doesn't do it. I don't know what that means. Yeah, it only jerks when it's in reverse, so I'm not really sure what's going on with this car. I want to take it to a mechanic so he could put it on the lift and he could see what's wrong with it. Oh man, this car is definitely a little scary. I'm gonna give it some gas up here, see what it does. I hear something going on in the rear. I'm not sure what that is. Throttle. Yeah, I think it's something wrong with this transmission because it's kind of like bogs to shift. Yeah, this is probably a car I would take to the mechanic and see what's wrong with it. Maybe it's fixable. I hope it's fixable. I hope it's something small. I'm in the Kia right now, and this car is smooth like butter. It shifts so much better than that Nissan. I'm thinking that Nissan definitely has a transmission problem. That's probably like contributed with it being like salvaged why the insurance company totaled it out, because the damage on that Nissan wasn't bad at all. Well, we're gonna figure it out. We have this one. This one is almost done. I'm kind of glad because this one is a better option. It got 66,000 miles, 2016. It runs better. The AC is colder. So this one is gonna, for sure, bring in a lot more money than that Nissan. The Nissan, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with it. I'll probably just take it to a mechanic and see what they could do with it. And if they can't do nothing with it, I'll probably just keep it for myself or just send it back to the auction and take a loss on it. But we'll figure that out later. Yeah, this Kia, I'm still not over this Kia. This Kia has no lights on the dash. The AC is freezing cold. I do feel something loose, like in the suspension, but it needed wheel alignment. But other than that, it drives so good. It drives so much better than that Nissan. Maybe it's just like the CVT. That's how they run. But hey, either way, I paid less for this car, and I'm gonna make more with this car than a Nissan. So either way, I'm glad. If I take a loss on a Nissan, then that is what it is. That's just the risk that you take when you buy cars from Copart. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.